Hey, Jason with Fender Garage. One problem you're going to note in a 2015 through 17 crate motor, Mustang motor, whatever you're using, is that you plug it into your Dakota digital gauges or whatever gauges you're using, and the tachometer doesn't work well. Sometimes you rev it really high, it sticks, it hangs up, now all of a sudden it's off to 100 RPMs, and it never recalibrates. And so you'll call Ford Racing. They're going to tell you that there's no tach signal that you can use for gauges in the Coyote motor. So then you might get real frustrated. You might want to get angry, swear a little bit, and ask why is Ford doing that. So we've asked the same thing, but we did come up with a solution. The solution is we purchase from AutoMeter the 9117 tach adapter. And so there's great instructions in here. It works really well. It's going to tie into one of your coil pack wires here, and then you're going to take that in and mount it inside, and you'll actually plug this into your Dakota digital gauges. Again, if you're not using Dakota digital gauges, you should. That's our first choice here, because you can use the BIM module and you get most of the data that you need for your gauges through the computer. And the only thing that you're not going to get is your tach, so this will solve it. And the other thing you're going to actually have to use is the oil pressure sender from Dakota Digital, and that plugs into the passenger side down on the bottom where the oil pressure sensor is in the Coyote. You'll unplug that, put in the Dakota Digital, and use that. If you want to use the temp sender, you can, that the Coyote motor comes with. We don't use it. We just unplug it, put in the Dakota Digital, and go right into the gauges, and so we can get oil pressure that way. The other Mustang is more of a dummy light, and so we don't actually use it. So again, if you're having tach problems or those issues on a 15 to 17 Coyote motor, this is definitely the option to help fix that and remedy it.